First trade going in favor at 120. All right, guys, so we sold one, keeping one. Worst case scenario, break even. That's what we're shooting for. Printing. Good morning, my future fellow millionaires and my day traders. Guys, we're gonna do two videos in one. One with a little bit of a Super Bowl moment. Traded yesterday, made about 130, and then we're also even trading on our Top Step account, guys. We're at 102 right now at the moment. So here we are, just trading, guys. 7:43 a.m. still real early. We're out here posting videos on our socials, so definitely don't miss those. Don't miss those at all. And we're gonna see how we're gonna end this day here shortly, guys. Market's going crazy. Honestly, there's really not much else we can catch. I already took this trade here, and I'm not gonna chase anything else since this trade's already in motion. There is a gold setup, but gold is already gone, and I'm not going to chase. And if you didn't enter around on this candle pullback retest here, it's gone. So we're just going to let MES do its thing, and we're going to just continue on, guys. So it's Monday, so let's see how we can finish this week strong. What is going on, my fellow traders? Good morning, and welcome back to another video, guys. I'm going to show you guys how much we ended up on the day here in one moment, as well as even show you guys what kind of trades we caught. We live traded, we already posted, and I just want to show you guys what's going on. So let's flip this camera around and actually get to the mess. So very simply, we caught this nice breakout above previous highs. Where we entered was very nice. We entered here on this pullback dip here and caught a nice long to the upside. So that is how we're able to be up on our Lucid account at least 174.30 on the day. So that's Lucid. And then we also kind of caught the same exact trade on MES as well. So let's see if we can pull it up here. So same trade that we caught was on MES, guys, $100 on the day. And so today, guys, 102 on there on the Top Step and 174 on the Lucid, guys. So we're gonna just end it here, call it good. And we do have a lot of things we got to do today, so we're going to take care of all those things today, guys. And we're still going to trade. That's why we bring the camera, just in case we do end up trading a little bit more. So let's see what else we can do, if we can catch anything else, guys. Morning and welcome back, guys. It is currently Tuesday, February 10th, and it is 6:08 a.m. We're about to go trade here in our spaceship. So let's go see what we got going on over here. So as you can see, this is our setup for the day. We're going to trade today, see how much money we can make. I haven't took any trades in Asia session, so we're gonna be able to trade today. So far, we got our charts up. We're gonna chart up real quick, drop it in the Discord, and we got our coffee here as well, guys. So let's have a great day. Let's have an awesome ass morning. And these videos are gonna be a little bit interesting. We have Sunday and Monday packed into one single video, as well as even this here. Let's see how much money we can make today. Let's see what we can even do today, guys, and let's kill it. Listening to the new J. Cole album and trading some longs on some ES, guys. Now, I did post my trade ideas tab in a Discord, or what I do believe is going to happen here shortly today. So we'll just trade today, guys. Let's see how much money we can make today. Guys, we just keep slapping scalps on ES, guys. Look at those orders. Enter longs here, sell at the top. Enter longs here, sell on that little candle for a nice quick gain, guys. Very simple, very simple. Easy ass trades. And we're still watching the market right now, guys. We're just seeing what else can be made. But honestly, that was a very nice quick long. Guys, today's price action is so ass. But at least today looks like it's almost gonna be a beautiful day. The sun was trying to crack out here not that long ago. But guys, market looks horrible, man. This price action on the SP 500s is literally so ugly. Dude, the sun's trying to crack out. You guys see it? I love when the sun cracks on out. So guys, we're just posting videos, and we have not traded our Top Step X account at all today. As you guys can see, it is currently February 10th, 8:27 a.m., guys. And no, we did not trade our Top Step Live account one bit, or our Top Step account at all. Market isn't really doing much. It's chopping around majorly, so I'm actually gonna step away and not even trade this market, because guys, look at SPY right now. It's just chopping. So we're just gonna end it right here, and we have a few things to work on today as well. And look at our kitties, guys. They're so curious what's going on out there. They're such big cats. So cute. It's nice and sunny today, guys. The sun finally did crack on out, so let's head on out of here and let's post some videos, work on some stuff today, and let's head on out, guys. All right, guys, it's a good, beautiful day. So there's a couple things we gotta do. We gotta go get some blue rags for the house, gas, and a tool from Harbor Freight. So let's head on out, and let's also even trade, guys, if we can. So let's pull up our Top Step. Let's show you guys the truth as far as where we're at. Because again, guys, we haven't even traded. So as you guys can see, literally we haven't even traded. The time is currently 9:21. Guys, let's see what we can trade today, if we can even trade anything. So far market's going ugly. So we actually just slapped a long here, guys. We're entering 2 of them with a $300 stop loss, $600 price target. So let's head on about our day and let's see what we can do
tomorrow. So I was like today, Tuesday, I was like, no, I don't think I'm gonna be trading, but it's likely I'm gonna do it, and just try it out.
All right, so we had to pick up one of these, as well as we just finished a nice phone call with one of our homies named Wolf. And guys, we're still in this trade longs on MES, or what is it, MES or MNQ? I don't know. Oh yeah, MES. So we'll see how this can go, how this can play out in our favor. Again, let's see how this thing can pay, guys. All right, guys, we're set. We got the towels, we got the tool, we got the gas. So the hourly just closed. Has a little bit of a cup in hand. It has a chance. Of course, I might be in some type of drawdown, but what I'm expecting is for it to kind of just consolidate here, potentially. Of course, I'd rather have it break out back above, but I need to break out to the upside, guys. Have my stop set down here for $300 loss on day 2 cons. Not that bad, actually. So let's head on out. I'll show you guys how we do later.
That's right.
Unfortunately, guys, we took a loss. As you guys can see, $298 loss on the day. Unfortunately, we did take a loss. It is what it is. So that being said, we're home. We got a few gadgets that we just picked up from Amazon that we're gonna mess with here in a moment. And guys, we just recently got this camera back. I'm so excited. I love it. But this is the setup here, and overall, this is the view that we have right outside. It's not that much necessarily of a view, but it is a beautiful day. And when it does get sunny, or when the sun sets right here in the middle, and it shines right through and makes everything bright in here. So I love it. With that being said, just feeding the kitties, and we're gonna end it here, guys. So hope you guys had an awesome ass day, and call it good. So